General Ajit Nilakanthan and his team for making second dose of COVID shield after 6 weeks. Very seamless, very effective. Me and my wife Sudesh Dinkar are grateful to the team that has handled it very effectively. Last time when we had it, there was no after effect. I would appeal to everyone on this occasion that the best way to overcome COVID-19 challenge is to act in togetherness, to think of the nation as a whole, and every one of us should work as a warrior. We must keep away from negativity. The challenge is enormous, but efforts are being made at the highest level. Efforts are bearing fruit. All possible steps are being taken by all governments at the center and the state. It is time for us to believe in positivity, to cut out negativity altogether. I would appeal to media in particular to highlight the positive aspects. Our society historically is known for hand-holding. As Governor, I have noticed number of cases where people have expressed their deep obligation to those who came forward during this crisis and handheld them. I am extremely happy to learn from General Ajit Nilakantji that they have successfully performed for the area for which they were engaged. Our hospitals otherwise also are functioning under heavy pressure, and I am sure we will always work to keep the nation first.
Sir, state में जो situation है
Just I would expect 2-3 questions of relevance. Go ahead.
स्टेट में जो सिचुएशन है कोविड लेकर आपको राय क्या है?
COVID has posed a challenge to the entire humanity. We must always remember India is a very populous nation. We have unity in diversity. We are geared up to take up the challenge. Everyone is contributing hugely. Problem there is in the state also as in other states. And I am sure the government at the state and the center are taking all steps. I will appeal through the media. It is an occasion for all of us to act in togetherness, act in coordination, act in tandem, and to get away from divisive approach, from regional approach, and to get away also from any negativity. I have no doubt the people of the country who are known to make huge sacrifices in times of crisis will come forward, help the agencies, help the government tide over this great challenge.
स्टेट को जो रिपोर्ट है कोविड लेकर क्या क्या स्टेप लेना है आपने तो देखा
देखिए state is taking steps as required. Central government is taking steps as required. We all have seen how the Honorable Prime Minister has held numerous meetings with all stakeholders and with all service providers for effecting augmentation. The entire system has been geared. Oxygen supply is being buttressed, enhanced by airlifting, by oxygen trains, by having new plants, and that is what is being done. So it's a nation that to fight over this challenge is rising like a plateau. At this time, I appeal to everyone in the state to be in affirmative mode, to believe in positivity, to get away from negativity, and media has a great role to play. I would urge all of you, please take all precautions,
वैक्सीन नहीं मिल रहा
suggest the people that this will happen, and I am sure it is matter of time we'll tide over it. Thank you.